Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
Delta Airlines, Flight DL-43, en route from Los Angeles to Sydney, returned to LAX shortly after takeoff Saturday night due to smoke in the galley. The plane landed safely less than an hour after departure. Delta emphasized passenger safety as its top priority and stated the crew followed procedures to return to LAX after smoke was detected in the galley. The airline apologized for the inconvenience. The Federal Aviation Administration will investigate the incident. A heartbreaking news. A hostage situation at UPMC Memorial Hospital in York County, Pennsylvania, left one officer dead and at least 5 others injured on Saturday. The suspect, Diogenes Archangel Ortiz, entered the ICU armed with a handgun and zip ties, taking hospital staff hostage. Ortiz shot a doctor, nurse, and custodian, all of whom are now stable. 3 police officers were also shot, with West York Borough Officer Andrew Duarte killed. Officers fatally shot Ortiz after he emerged with a hostage at gunpoint. Authorities have not provided a motive but confirmed Ortiz had prior contact with the ICU earlier in the week. The investigation is ongoing, and officials praised law enforcement's swift response. In other updates, cartons of frozen shakes sold to nursing homes, hospitals, and other institutions are being recalled due to a Listeria outbreak linked to the products. The shakes, labeled under Lions Ready Care and Cisco Imperial brands, were distributed to institutional customers, according to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reported that Listeria cases linked to these products date back to 2018. However, investigators were previously unable to trace the source. So far, 38 people have been infected and 11 have died. The FDA's investigation remains ongoing. An uplifting piece of news. Stanford chemists have developed a practical and scalable process to permanently remove atmospheric CO2 using common minerals. By heating silicates in kilns, they create reactive materials that rapidly absorb CO2, accelerating natural weathering from thousands of years to weeks or months. The process requires less than half the energy of current direct air capture methods and could be applied to agricultural soil, benefiting farmers while sequestering carbon. Mining waste could serve as a raw material, with over 400 million tons available annually. The team is also exploring electric kilns to further reduce emissions. Researchers estimate each ton of reactive material could remove an equal amount of CO2, potentially making a significant impact on global carbon reduction efforts.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.